Hi, Mrs. Romito here with another episode of Tips and Tricks with Mrs. Romito. Today we're reviewing resubmitting an assignment. So when and how should you resubmit an assignment? You should do so when your score is below 70%, which is below mastery, or you do not feel your score accurately reflects your knowledge and you believe you can showcase your learning better after reviewing your feedback. You should definitely do this directly after receiving your feedback. This is when the information is still fresh in your brain and best for relearning. Some students choose to do so at the end of the course just before the exam as a way to review. However, we don't think that that's best for relearning because you have to go back and dredge up all that information, especially for courses that build and are compound on previous assignments. How should you resubmit? You should do so in the learning management system. This is both for Turnitin and non-Turnitin assignments. You should submit via the Dropbox option on the assignment. This is again both for Turnitin and non-Turnitin assignments. Do not use the note version on a Turnitin assignment. Turn it in directly into the Dropbox on the assignment you wish to resubmit. You could also do so instead of the Dropbox via the comment section of assignment, but this is not recommended. Be sure you do the following before you resubmit. You have reviewed any attached teacher feedback like documents, videos, links, and you have indicated your updates in your assignment by changing the font. This could be bold, underlined, a different color, highlighted, etc., whatever floats your boat. And you have actually submitted an updated assignment. Don't just submit the same thing again and expect a different result. So if you are saving it as something new, save it as like updated version 2, updated version 3, what have you, or just save it directly onto that assignment because it's new and you want to show that new learning. I hope that when you resubmit, you feel confident that you've done so in a successful way and you earn mastery on your assignment submission.